Here question number 81. In an arithmetic progression, sixth term is one more than twice the third term. The sum of the fourth and fifth term is 5 times the second term. Find the 10th term of AP. So here A is the first term and D is the common difference. So nth term of AP is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. So here the first statement, sixth term is one more than twice the third term. Okay. So write this in terms of A and D. So A plus 5D is equal to 2 into A plus 2D plus 1. So A plus 5D is equal to 2A plus 4D plus 1. So 5D plus 5D minus 4D is equal to 2A minus A plus 1. So 5D minus 4D is D is equal to 2A minus A is A plus 1. Okay. So take this as equation number 1. So second statement, sum of the fourth and fifth term. So sum of the fourth and fifth term is 5 times the second term. So write this in terms of A and D. So A plus 3D plus A plus 4D is equal to 5 times the second term. So A plus A is 2A plus 7D is equal to 5A plus 5D. Okay. So simplify this. So 7D minus 5D is equal to 5A minus 2A. So like terms ಅನ್ನು separate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 7D minus 5D ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2D is equal to 5A minus 2A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So take this as equation number. So substitute D in equation 2. Substitute D in equation 2. So here equation 2 is 2D is equal to 3A. 2D is equal to 3A. So D is equal to A plus 1 is equal to 3A. So 2A plus 2 is equal to 3A. So 2 is equal to 3A minus 2A. So left side ಬರೀತಾನೆ 3A minus 2A is equal to A is equal to 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So the first term ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಈಗ ನಾವು A ನ ನಾವು equation 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. Substitute A in equation 1. So D is equal to 2 plus 1. So D is equal to 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So the common difference is 3 and the first term A is 2. So they have to find 10th term of AP ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 10th term of AP. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 10th term is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A is 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 3. So this is equal to 2 plus 9 into 3. So 2 plus 27. So this is equal to 29. So therefore the 10th term of AP is 29.